How to make a cupcake stand in Blender. So first, you start with a cylinder. Change the vertices from 32 to 12. Tap into edit mode. And let's scale this cylinder. Let's now scale it on the Z axis by pressing S for scale and then Z for the Z axis. Then we put loop cuts. Now to grab everything by selecting A and duplicating it by pressing Shift D. Let's make this smaller by pressing S for scale and Shift Z to lock in place. So we're only affecting the Z axis. Let's do that one more time by pressing Shift D and then Z. Pulling it up a little bit. Let's see the front view. Press S for scale and Shift Z. Okay, now we make the cylinder for the middle. So press Shift A to create a cylinder. Now this cylinder will only have 8 vertices instead of 12. Go into edit mode. Let's grab everything by pressing A and let's extend this vertically. Let's increase the width of it. And now all we have to do is just to put some loop cuts. So let's go back into object mode, hide this, so we only have this, and then let's put some loop cuts in. Now let's go to modifier and add a subdivision surface modifier. Let's increase the levels viewport, and let's go back to object mode. Unhide the rest by pressing Alt-H or Option-H if you're using a Mac. Let's tab into edit mode once you selected the 3 cylinders. And let's go to modifier and subsurface modifier. Let's go to the materials tab. And voila, we are finished. This is the final render. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!